like you're trying to constantly convince yourself of some false reality.
which a lot of people who have very difficult limiting beliefs can struggle with, right? Because if you have these really deep limiting beliefs, that creates this false reality that you're lying, quote unquote, lying to yourself. And if you can't get to the root cause of where that came from, right? I think I said it to one of our clients the other day, like his dad was saying that he didn't believe something about his own son that his son did believe, but because he was looking for approval from his father, he adopted that belief and took on that limiting belief that somebody else imposed upon him when he knew that was not the right thing. But when we were able to dig deeper, he was able to remove that barrier. He was able to remove that limiting belief and really get to the core of what he believed and recognize that he could not take on what somebody else imposed on him. It was all about approval of himself. And that's what we all have to do is we have to focus on if we're going to be truthful, if we're going to grow, if we're going to develop, however you want to say it, we have to be able to tell ourselves the truth. But more importantly, a lot of times truth comes from what we believe. And if that belief is rooted in the need for approval from somebody else, then it's something that's going to destroy us. We have to approve of ourselves. We have to see ourselves as I am good enough. I am all these things that I'm working on. I am able to do all this stuff. And I don't need anybody else to say, good job. Or I don't need somebody else to say, I'm proud of you. It's nice to hear those things. And yes, that's nice validation when it happens. But if that's what you need to become the person that is the better version of you, you're creating a false identity almost. You have to allow yourself to just approve of yourself.